Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my spring box for FAB FIT FUN. So if you're interested in finding out, then please keep watching. Let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. Quickly, I'm going to tell you a little bit about FAB FIT FUN. It is a lifestyle box. It is $49.99 per month. You always receive over $200 worth of products, and they can include beauty, skincare, and this is more of a lifestyle box. This is actually my third box. I did a video on what I got for winter 2018, so I'll link that down below if you're interested. This is the end of May, so I'm a little bit late on my spring box, or a lot late, but I actually received it and have not opened it, so I don't know what's in the box, so I will be opening it with you all for the first time. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. I'm definitely excited to find out what is in this box. I also did another unboxing today, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and thought to myself, you know what, why not? Let's just go ahead and roll into another unboxing, because I was going to open it off camera anyway, and thought, why not just open it with you all? So this is the box right here, and let's get into it. It is still sealed, and I always struggle with getting it open. Let's see if I can get it open without scissors. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, your girl did it. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, so it comes with a full magazine that's going to let me know what's going on, and of course it breaks down what I received. I'm not gonna spend too much time going over each product, but it does say that the total value of the box could be anywhere between $226.99 to $314. Okay, so I'm just going to just dig right in. I'm not going to go in any order at all, and just pull out and let's go. This is what we have right here. I don't want to mispronounce it. Is it Quay? Leave-in conditioner. And it says, we're obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhance heat protection. And this one retails for $26. So, hey, it's summertime now when I'm opening this spring box. But the point is, it's definitely warming up outside. So you definitely need heat protectant. I don't only think a heat protectant is something that I use when I'm blow drying my hair, which is not too often, but heat protection is also needed on your hair for when you're out in the sun all day. So I'll definitely put this to good use, and I'll update you in a later video to let you know what I think. Let's keep going. This is Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. See it right there. And it says, this isn't your ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. And this one retails for $28. Definitely excited. You can never ever have too much. I normally have like a skincare regimen, and I don't really like to introduce new products to that. But I'll definitely try this out and let you all know. I'm excited to get this in the box because you can never have too much skincare. And I'm definitely excited when I get new things like this in my boxes, because I feel like if it was curated for that box, then it's probably highly rated, with good reviews, and people love this product. So I'm definitely excited to try out a highly rated skincare product, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, well, this is interesting. It is Sip by Seat by Swell. Insulated to keep your drinks hot and cold. I love this color. This is nice, and it's nice. Let's go ahead and take it out of its packaging. See. Another reason why I love getting these boxes is because, like this box, like I said, this one comes 4 times a year. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. So like I said, this is my spring box, and it's like Christmas 4 times a year. You get to open up boxes with you in mind. This is what it looks like. It's nice and deep and big, and it says keep it hot or cold, so definitely functional to use year round. And like I said, I love this color. It's like a berry wine color. Super cute. Christmas and spring. Let me tell you about this one. This one retails for $19.99. It says sip in style while reducing single-use plastic consumption. Very important. Whether filled with hot or cold, whether filled with a hot or cold drink, the stainless steel water bottle is insulated to keep your drinks at just the right temperature. Perfect. Okay, let's keep going. This says Babe Last Essential Serum. I don't know. I guess I might be missing this one. It says that I could have received a, can you see that there? A mystery item. And it says, what could it be? A palette, body cream, or maybe a trigger ball? We love a good mystery, and we promise this is a good one. And it just says the retail value is plus $20. So since I don't see it on my little what's in the box, then I'm assuming this is a mystery one. But it says, get lush, healthier looking lashes with Babe Last Essential Serum. This transformative formula promotes the appearance of longer, thicker lashes, can be used on brows and with lash extensions. Okay, so it is it helps to thicken your eyelashes. I'm not gonna say this is my least favorite product, but I just don't know how much use I would get out of it. I may not even bother to use it, just to maybe include it in like an upcoming giveaway or something. Only because I'm very, it says it's cute, lash like a boss. I don't have a necessarily sensitive eye area, but and it's sealed up pretty bright, pretty tight, so I'm definitely not gonna open it because I haven't decided whether I'm gonna use it or not. But it just says that's what it has on it, and we'll just keep him sealed up. I'll let you guys know if I decide, or you may see it in an upcoming giveaway. I'm gonna go out and just kind of read some reviews on it to see what people are saying about it before I apply it to my lashes. But I mean, who doesn't want thicker lashes? Like, who doesn't want that? So we'll see, and I will let you know. Very interesting product. I've never tried anything like this before, so we'll see. The next product, it says Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub by Mana Kadar. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. This is it right here. Very, very pretty packaging. And who doesn't need a good bath scrub, especially in the warmer months? Oh, it's sealed. Do I want to open it just a little bit, maybe? I'm trying to see what it smells like, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Note to self, don't open up another box without your scissors handy. Oh, it smells good, guys. Oh, and it's like a, oh, it smells like, it smells like grape. Let me show you what it looks like. It smells like a grape popsicle. So I'll definitely get some use out of this and let you all know what I think. Let's see what this is. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. And this one retails for $24. Couple more things in here. Okay, so this one is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and circles. So is this the, no, it was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I got some eye cream in. So yeah, that's what it looks like right here. Now this one I'm actually really excited to try. And it says visibly, of course, reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. And this one retails for $42. I think I got this in one of my first BoxyCharms, and I gave it to my mother, or my mother took it. I remember her telling me, you don't have bags under your eyes, you don't need this, I need this. So I didn't even try it. She immediately took it and she used it, and she actually raved about this product. So now I'm excited to get another chance to try it out. And Mom, if you're watching, you cannot have this one. So yeah, I'll definitely update you all in another video and let you know what I think. Okay guys, so we're almost done. Just a couple more items. I'm gonna go for this big one first, and it says Unplug, and it looks like a diffuser maybe. It says Unplug Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser. Turn your home into an unplugged meditation studio. Diffuse happy while watching the diffuser change colors. Ooh, for the ultimate Zen experience. It says you can blend happy with other essential oils. So I wonder if there's some oil in here. And this one actually retails for $55. So it says it changes color. Okay, so it did come with the essential oil here. Let's see if we can open it and see what it is. It smells really, really good, guys. It actually, oddly enough, reminds me of the Clinique Happy. It has that citrusy, it says orange essential oil on here. So yeah, but it does remind me of the perfume. And then here is the diffuser. Oh, it's cute. It looks like a little egg. Ooh, I love this. Okay. So I'll definitely read the instructions and add the oil. And it says that it lights up, so I'll definitely make sure that I come back and show you all what the lights look like with this. Okay guys, so last and certainly not least, we have this. Let's see what this one is. It's from Key, Australia. Pronouncing that correctly, I think I am. Guys, I got some sunglasses. Oh my gosh, these, are you kidding me right now? Oh man, these are so cute. Wait. I think I own just a pair of black sunnies like this. Okay. Guys, I love this. It says Key, Australia. This is in the style Vivian. These oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for no slip wear. And this one retails for $60. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh, like, I'm actually shocked and speechless and like really excited. This is probably, wow, my like, I don't know. This is a good box. Just try these on real quick. What do y'all think? Let me just zoom y'all in. Guys, apparently I am feeling myself. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. My all-time favorite product definitely has to be these glasses. I am going to get a lot of wear out of these glasses. Ooh, Fab Fit Fun definitely curated a great spring 2019 box, and I'm super excited to see what I'm going to get in my summer box. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.